Hi, my name is 𝗬𝗃𝗃𝗃. I'm a sourcing expert in Vietnam. Recently, I went to Bali to visit sewing factories. The best factory I found was called Cut&Sew Factory, and the owner's name is Sarah. If you're looking to produce garments in Bali, you must meet Sarah.
Hi, my name is Sarah, and I'm from Cut&Sew Factory, and we are based in Bali.
So tell us what you specialize in.
We specialize in swimwear, mostly because that was the first items that we've been working with, because we handled a few orders about they were asking swimwear and all the what concerns, but lately we follow it also some other challenges, and we've been able to do some woven with woven fabrics. So we also do some kaftans, dresses, menswear as well, shirts, and yeah, the first the item that I want to show is this swimwear. It's quite detailed, very popular and quite detailed. So basically we get the fabric from a local supplier, we sew it, we put also accessories. We find accessories over Indonesia, or also can import from outside, from China. So we also offer to our clients that want a free print inside. So let's say the size or and this to give a little bit boutique look. Mm-hmm. And yeah, so everything is sewn very carefully and checked in three times quality checking. So we have the person that checked the threads, the person that checked the sizing, and the person that does a final check. And we also can offer hand tags and labels, everything that related to the branding. We can also do that.
Now,
here is the room where we do pattern making and graphics. So we have digitizer here. We put some mood board here, so it's easy to show, but this is the digitizer board where we digitize the pattern that we've been doing by hand, but mostly the pattern making is being doing by the graphics, so by computer. Everything it's created by marker. So we create the marker and print it, and after that we lay down on the fabric and we do we do the cutting. Cool. So we mostly produce swimwear, and yeah, the complication of the swimwear is that we have to use 3 machines basically for doing the swimwear. So there is the first that helps to put the fabric together. So they sew with the straight stitch, and then after that they put elastic. So they use a proper machine that put the elastic in the sewing, so which is all the sides. And after that, yeah, we model it. So it depends on the styles that we have, and this particular style has got pads inside. So there are some holes that we do it. We practice, and then after that we put the pad inside. The pads we import from Java, which are higher quality that we find locally, and yeah, we put the label, and we do the ties. The ties we tucked in, and this is it's quite straightforward. This.
Good.
Yeah.
What about print? So mention that if
we
they want.
do prints. We offer also a printing service that is based on sublimation fabric, and mostly use its polyester that reacts with the sublimation machine, and we can also develop something printed. part of the plain ones.
What's the MOQ for swimwear?
We accept MOQ as a 50 per style and color with a minimum order of 500 pieces.
Okay.
Obviously, if it's less, let's say 40 per style and color or 400 or 300, we can still handle it, but we can discuss it.
Okay, cool.
This is fabric with sublimation print. In this particular case, we have a placement. So basically, this part of the print has to be on this part. So to save up with fabric and prints, so we decided that we place this part on this particular style, and then we cut one by one by hand. And after that, we sew on the. So for example, here we have bundle, the size S. So I show you one piece. The back part, we cut one by one. And then after we sew. After that, and to show the style like that.
Cool.
We have checking of swimwear. A client just contacted us via online and placed an order of her bikinis. She gave a mock-up of the bikini must be and some sizing. We developed a spec for her, and where all the sizing were stated. So we're following her sizing, and we offer a free print inside, and outside it's just like this.
Thanks for watching to the end. Would you like to produce your product in Vietnam? My team and I offer consulting, factory introductions, factory tours, and production from A to Z. In short, we are scouts for hire. Contact us today at vietnamfactorytours.com. Welcome to Vietnam.